friends, how can customize hotspot and line. So first of all, open Archicad and create hotspot and line and choose paint color and customize it accordingly. You can more understand in the video. Let's know about the hotspot color and line. First of all, we take a hotspot. Here you can see a default red and make a rectangle, and after that take line and sketch on it. Here, and also change the color of line. You can see that. You can take a similar different color. Also you can change the hotspot color. Click and you can change easily from here. Mm. Now change color of hotspot. Here we take a blue. You can see that I will show in June. I can take blue. The same process in both hotspot. You can see that I've changed all color, line and hotspot as well, and now we see in June. You can see that and easily drag into 2D GDL scripting. Now we do that. File library object and new object, and here select 2D. Yeah. Now drag. You can see that, and here also see that. Now you understand easily how to customize line and hotspot.